My name is Beatrice Diaz. I live in Easton, Pennsylvania. And one day I was thinking to install the siding on my house, but I said, what company? So two of my neighbors, they choose the same company, Master Home Improvement. And I looked at the house and I said, you know what, let me make a phone call. And let me tell you what, the best decision. And they installed the siding on my house. Beautiful job, detailed, awesome. I'm so happy. So if I need to give a star, I need to give not 5, 10 star. Really, really, really good job. Recommendation for Master Home Improvement? Oh yeah. And I need to say thank you, Master Home Improvement. Good job. I'm extremely happy customer.